You will talk about derivatives. So we have example here. Y is equal to cx raised to the power of n, or y prime is equal to cnx raised to the power of n by using constant and exponent rule. So we have example here. Y is equal to 4x 6. Y is equal to 4x raised to the power of 6. So ang una nato is ato siyang i-type, atong ibutang ang constant, which is 4, and our n is equal is 6. So for formula, n is 6x 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So we have 4 times 6x raised to the power of 5. Ito siyang i-times. So we have 24x squared. So we have the final answer of 24x raised to the power of 5.